I think it's recording yet. Okay, this is the video number 9 from the robotics project. The topic we will see is the inputs and outputs. And let me share the screen. Okay. Uh, First one we will see in the theory. In the robotic manual, we will see this image to reference to see how to make the connections from the inputs and outputs in a system. We will need to configure the pens to what we want. We set the configuration mapping between the signal numbers and the groups and the physical ports. For each signal, we have some configured in the rack slot, and this is image from the reference uh, given from the robotic manual. We can have the number of the points, the slot of the memories, the DAC, and the channels of each input and output. We have so many types of inputs and outputs. We have the analog ones, the digital ones, and another so relevant, the groups types, and the users and the standard operators. And from the simulator, we will see here, I have another version of the program, but I think is appropriate to see how we can operate it. With it. Let me first open the teach pendant. Here we go. One time the teach pendant is initially we can go to the inputs and outputs. Here we go. With the number 5, we can see here the I/O and the inputs and outputs selection, and we get so many different types of the inputs and outputs. We have here the digital, the analogic one, the groups, and from the robot and the user and standard operation of the robot. From the digital ones, we will see here the status of the input and output. We can see the sign of if the robot is on off. On is the grip is open and off is grip is off. We can manipulate manually over here. We can get the sim for it is a state of simulate and use sim, the number of the entrance, and from the type we can here change to analogic ones, and it's also the same. We can need to configure the value of the sign. We can get obviously the analogic one is with a not finite number of entrance, and the digital is with a finite number of entrance, and the analogic one is infinite. We have here the same structure. From the configuration, we will see the rack, the slot, and the channel we want. We can get the configure. Another type with the group ones, we can assign the inputs and outputs from so many groups, and it depends if we have so many functions. And here is more information from the type. from the robot is also is what I said before of the if the grip is open, is on or off, we can configure it which if want to do in that way. The inputs and outputs are a really simple topic, but is needed to know from the devices we want to connect to the robot and manipulate, because there are different types of how to do the things. But I think that's all from the topic of inputs and outputs. It's really simple. Thank you.